What if I told you that most Americans are quietly making a single financial mistake that can cost them over $100,000 in their lifetime, and they don't even realize it until it's too late? Not because they're lazy, not because they don't work hard, but because they were trained to think about money the wrong way from day one. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people are not building wealth. They are building income dependence. They get a job, they get a raise, they upgrade their lifestyle. And just like that, every dollar increase becomes a higher level of expenses. It feels normal, even responsible, but in reality, it's a trap dressed as stability. The $100,000 mistake isn't one big decision. It's a pattern of trading time for money. Instead of building anything that pays you when you're not working, most people think the problem is their salary. It's not. The real problem is what they do immediately after they earn it. They don't ask, "How can I make this money work for me?" They ask, "What can I buy next?" That shift alone, ownership versus consumption, is where the entire financial game is decided. Because here's the reality: Wall Street never teaches in simple terms. The wealthy don't primarily rely on income, they rely on systems. Systems that generate cash flow, assets that grow without daily effort, equity that compounds over time. Meanwhile, most employees are stuck in a linear equation: more hours, more money; no hours, no money. And that is exactly how the $100,000 mistake compounds. Though think about it. If someone takes just $300 a month and redirects it into assets instead of lifestyle inflation, over time that gap doesn't just stay small, it explodes. Because money doesn't grow linearly. It grows through compounding, and compounding rewards time, not effort. But here's the psychological trap. Every time income increases, lifestyle expectations increase faster. A better car, a bigger apartment, a nicer phone, a more expensive routine. And none of it feels reckless in the moment. It feels deserved. But deserved spending is one of the most expensive beliefs in modern finance. Now zoom out. 2. People earn the same income for 10 years. One builds ownership, the other builds consumption. At the end of that decade, they don't just have different bank balances, they live in different financial realities. One is still dependent on a paycheck. The other has options, and options are what people actually mean when they say rich. Because wealth isn't about luxury, it's about control over your time. The $100,000 mistake isn't just about money lost, it's about freedom never created. And the hardest part? It feels invisible while it's happening. There's no alarm, no warning, no moment where life stops and tells you you're choosing the wrong path. Just slow divergence, one decision at a time. But the shift is simple. Stop asking what you can afford to buy today. Start asking what you can own that pays you tomorrow. Because in the long run, it's not the income you make that defines your future. It's what you refuse to waste it on. If you found this perspective useful, consider subscribing for more calm, reality-based financial discussions.